Dear students, welcome all of you. Right now we are going to discuss some important questions related to the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Hope all are ready to accept the concept and questions to hear and learn related to the lesson. Chapter name is, once again I will repeat, Work, Energy and Power. First of all, we have to learn the concept work. It is nothing but work is force into distance. Our next term is energy. It is the ability or capacity to do work. Next term is power. That is the work by time. That is rate of work done. Work by time. That is the term power actually. Students, I am directly moving to the first question from the chapter Work, Energy and Power. All of you, please take care. The first question is, a force of 7 Newton acts on a object. Then they said the displacement is 8 meter, find the work done. Students, the basic equation of work done is W equal to force into distance, displacement, right? From here we can take the force as 7 Newton and the displacement is 8 meter. So 7 8s are, we can say the answer will be 56. Then the unit of work done we can write in terms of Newton meter, because its definition is force into distance. Am I right? So dear students, we can take the SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of displacement is meter, or we can say this Newton meter is equal to joule. So the answer will be 56 joule. That means option A is the correct answer. Hope everyone got the idea of this question. The question was, we have to find work done. The equation is F into D. The answer is 56 joule. Hope everyone understood the concept and got the answer. With your permission, I am moving to the next question. Students, please note down the second question. The unit of work is joule. The other physical quantity that has the same unit is. So we have option power, we have option velocity, we have option energy, we have option force. One by one we can check the SI unit of the different 4 options. They said the different physical quantity, then the unit of power is, we can say, that is watt actually. Then that we can say joule per second also. How we can take, because work by time actually, right? So that become joule per second. Like this also we can relate the unit of power. Am I correct? Then we can take one more concept, that is the joule is equivalent to Newton meter per second also. When we are considering the second physical quantity, velocity, all of you listen here, dear students, its SI unit is meter per second. Then the SI unit of energy we can say joule. Am I correct? Then the SI unit of force is Newton. So, in the question they are saying the unit of work is joule, the other physical quantity that has the same unit, that means their intention is we have to choose the physical quantity have the unit same as the work. So, it is nothing but the answer is energy, right. Hope everyone understood the concept and the answer. Next, I am moving to the third question. All of you listen here. So, dear students, third question. A particle of mass 100 gram moves at speed of 1 meter per second. Find its kinetic energy. Dear student, we have the equation of kinetic energy as half mv square. Kinetic energy is 1. That term actually related to the motion concept. How we can define energy? Energy is nothing but it is the ability or capacity to do work. Actually, energy is divided into many types. One of the important classification is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy divided into mainly two sub classification we have. One is kinetic energy and the other one is potential energy. Already many of the students they know very well about this, the concept kinetic and potential. So, here it is half mv square. Then they are saying particle of mass 100 gram, that is half into 100 into velocity square, means they said 1 square. So, 2 and 100 we can cancel. So, that means answer become 50 into 1 square, that means 50 into 1 square, that is the answer is 50 joule. So, keep in mind the definition of energy. It is the ability or capacity to do work. Kinetic energy is the energy related to the motion of the body. Potential energy is the energy related to the position. We can take an example like water stored in a dam. We can take Idukki Dam as one of the example. Many of them you heard about the Mullaperiyar Dam, right? So, water stored in a dam, water is not moving, just simply still without any motion or movement. So, we can use the concept of potential energy there. Here it is related to the motion concept. So, half mv square, the answer finally will get 50 joule. Very easily within 1 minute we can complete the question also. I know you all are doing the given problems maybe within seconds, right? Yes, I know very well. Then I am moving to the next question, student, the question number 4. Okay. So, listen the question number 4. When the speed of a particle is increased 3 times, dear students, we know k equal to half mv square. M is the mass of the body. What is the unit of mass? Tell me, what is the unit of mass? Yes, everybody know the SI unit of mass is kilogram, correct only. Then what is the unit of velocity? It is nothing but very easily everyone can say that is meter per second, right? Kinetic energy they are indicating by the letter capital letter K. So, students, the question they are saying speed of a particle is increased 3 times. That means it will be half into m No idea, they didn't say anything about that. Velocity square we have, they are saying that increased how 3 times v the whole square. The first equation put as 1, the second equation you can put like a k dash, that will be half into m into 3v the whole square. Dear students, that become half into m into the square of 3, that means 9, then v square. Then half m v square you can take as a single term. See, that is it is nothing but equation number 1, right? It is nothing but equation number 1. That is, instead of this half m into v square, we can take k, then the remaining term will be k into 9. So, dear students, right now we got k dash equal to k into 9. Am I right? K dash equal to k into 9. So, students, that increased by how? 9 times, yeah, product. So, our option is increases 3 times, remains same, increases 9 times, decreases to 1/3. So, it will increases 9 times because we got the answer as a product, as a numerator part, not in denominator. That is why we can say it is just increasing. Got it? That is the concept. So, our answer is increases 9 times. Okay? Completed? Yes, students. Next, we are moving to the question number 5. Okay, the unit of work is, here they are saying kilogram, 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 then meter, s raised to minus 2, minus 3, like that concept is there. So, listen, actually we know W equal to F into D, sometimes we can say F into S also. Anyway, it is nothing but force into displacement, force into distance, right? Okay. So, here we know F is from the second law, we have it is ma, then D, or we can say ma S, like this also. Am I correct? Yes. So, the unit of mass is kilogram, the unit of acceleration is meter per second square, then the unit of displacement or distance is, that is nothing but meter. So, here it is m raised to 1, here it is m raised to 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So, we can say kilogram meter square, S will come upside. So, the plus 2 will change into minus 2. So, our answer is, dear students, it is nothing but kilogram meter square S raised to minus 2. I will repeat, we have W equal to FD, it is MAD, it is kilogram meter per second square, then into M also, then 1 plus 1 2. So, M will become M square, S become minus 2. So, our final answer is kilogram meter square S raised to minus 2. How many got the correct answer? Tell me and check it your options. So, we have the first option kilogram meter square S raised to minus 2, here minus 1, here S minus 3, here S minus 2. Our answer is kilogram meter square S raised to minus 2. That is the final answer. It is very easy only, right? Yes, I know you all are doing these problems within seconds maybe, right? Okay, shall I move to the next question? All are ready? Yes, the students, I am moving to the 6th question. So, students, we are moving to the next question. Listen, an object of mass 1 kilogram has potential energy of 1 joule relative to the ground when it is a height of. So, we have 4 different options. So, listen, potential energy we can represent by the letter U equal to mgh. Very easy equation only. We are learning the concept in our 9th class textbook. Potential energy, the energy related to the position. Kinetic means related to the motion. Am I correct? Okay. So, we have equation what? Very easy only, U equal to mgh. So, they are saying mass how much? 1 kilogram. G value, what is G actually? Acceleration due to gravity, right? Acceleration due to gravity. That means earth can attract all the body, every body to its center, towards the earth. That actually discovered by the great physicist, scientist Sir Isaac Newton, right? So, we can write the value like 9.8, then H is an unknown quantity, then U they said how much? 1 joule. So, we can say 1 equal to 1 into 9.8 into H, right? Okay. So, dear students, how we can do this? We have to find H. It is very easy only. 1 equal to 1 into 9.8 means 9.8 itself, right? So, this 9.8 you can bring to the down. That means it become 1 divided by 9.8. What is the way? 1 divided by 9.8, because 1 into 9.8 is nothing but 9.8, right? Then 1 divided by 9.8. So, how we can divide this? See, 1 divided by 9.8 we can take it as 98 into 10 raised to minus 1, because here we have 1 decimal place. Am I right? Then 10 raised to minus 1 will come into the upside, that means 10 by 98. 10 by 98. Then how we can divide this? 10 by 98. See, 10 by 98 you can take like this, 10 as the dividend, 98 as the divisor, right? Okay. So, in 10 there is no 98. So, put 1 0 like this, 0 point. In 100, how many 98 we have? 1 times 1 into 98, that is 98. When you are subtracting, that become 2, correct? That become 2. Then into there is no 98, put 1 more 0 here. In 20 also we doesn't have, so like this. Then put 200. In 200 how many 98 we have? In 200 how many 98 we have? That is 98 into 2, that becomes 2 8s are 16, 1 2 9s are 18 plus, that is 196. So, when we are dividing, the answer become 0.102. Am I correct, students? Yes. So, the answer is 0.102 meter. So, we can say the correct option is option number 1. So, student, in this question you have to learn the concept potential energy. The equation is U equal to mgh, very easy only. Then m is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Then some simplification you have to follow. Finally, we will get the answer. Hope everyone got this answer also. It is nothing, easy questions only. Yes, students? Yes. So, I am moving to the next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7. So, here the question is work done is always. We have options scalar, vector, positive or negative. So, students, scalar already we have discussed in our last lesson, laws of motion. like force and motion related lesson. I know very well many of them, all of you know what is the scalar, what is vector. So, the scalar is nothing but magnitude only. Vector is the physical quantity has both magnitude as well as direction. Positive is positive number, yeah, negative is negative number. So, we can say the work done is always, it is a number, that means scalar quantity only. Positive number will come, negative also, but it does not have direction actually. Okay. So, the correct answer is scalar, right. Okay. Shall I move to the next question? Easy. Next question, electric motor creates a tension. So, they said the force that is 4500 Newton in hoisting, yes, hoisting the flag like that, hoisting a cable and reels it at a rate of 2 meter per second. So, based on the SI unit we can say that is velocity or speed, right. Calculate the power. Students, it is very easy. We have power equal to work by time. What is work? What is work? Tell me. So, the work is nothing but force into distance, then that divided by time. Students, listen here. What is d by t? It is nothing but velocity. It is nothing but velocity. So, we can say power equal to force into velocity. That means they said tension as the force here. What is the force here? 4500 Newton, right. So, 4500 into what is the velocity? Velocity they said 2. So, 45 into 2, that become 90. You have to put 2 more zeros. So, our answer is 9000 watt. But our all options are in kilowatt, right. Our all options are in kilowatt. So, you have to convert this 9000 watt into kilowatt. That means you have to divide by 1000. That means the answer become 9 kW. So, dear students, the answer is nothing but option number B. Easy only, right. Easy question. So, keep in mind the tension is nothing but force, then power have one more equation, that is W by T, F into D by T, that you can take in terms of force into velocity. Keep in mind, that is the equation. Yes, I am moving to the next question with your permission. Okay. Question number 9. The power of a pump takes 10 seconds. So, students, they said time t equal to 10 seconds. Then they are saying mass equal to 100 kilogram. What is the mass? 100 kilogram. Of water tank is situated at a height of 20 meter. So, we can say height equal to 20 meter. The power of a pump. So, we have to find what? We have to find power. We have time, we have m, we have h. You have to calculate power. So, students, see, power equal to work by time. Actually, the work is equivalent to energy. Work is equivalent to energy. So, they are saying power of a pump takes to a lift 100 kilogram of water tank situated at a height. So, we can say this work is equivalent to the potential energy. That means you can write mg h divided by t. Then put the values, that is 100 into g value 9.8 into h they said 20 meter, time they said 10, 0, 0 cancel, then 10 into 9.8, it is nothing but 98. 98 into 20. So 98 into 20 means how we can take, what is 98 into 2? 98 into 2 is 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, that is 90, 196. So you have to put 10, then they are asking power, the unit is watt. So 160 watt. 1960 watt. 1960 watt. But students, actually in our question there is, you can't see one number like this. So we can check this 9.8, we can take it as 10. So come to our question once again. So P equal to 100 into 10 into 20 divided by 10. So 10 we can cancel. 100 into 20 means, that means 2 into 1 2, then 3 zeros. So the answer is 2000. 2000 watt. The unit is what? 2000 watt? 2000 watt, right? Okay. So 2000 is here 1 kW, it is 1000. This is 200. 2 option omitted. Then the third one, yes, it is, I mean the option number 2, B, 2 into 10 cube watt, that is the final answer. So keep in mind, sometimes in some question we have to follow the G value as 10, okay, based on the situation or option, right? Okay. So hope all are completed the question. It is nothing but power equal to work by time. Work we can take it as energy. Here water damp tank, like that question. So it is nothing but mgh. Okay. Yes, I know everyone completed this question also. Shall I move to the next question, students? Yes. Okay. So the next question, that is question number, right now we finished 9th one, then I am moving to the 10th one. So listen, an engine develops a power 10 kilowatt. So power equal to 10 kilowatt. Then how much time? So you have to find time, no idea about the time. Mass they said 200 kilogram. Mass they said 200 kilogram. Height of 40 meter. Height we have 40 meter. So student, we have power, we have mass, we have height. As like previous question, equation of power is nothing but work by time. What is the equation of power? Power is nothing, it is very easy only. What is the power actually? The power is nothing but it is work by time. What is the equation of power? Work by time. This work, that equivalent to the energy. So we can take power equal to mgh by time. Mgh is nothing but what type of energy? What is the mgh? Mgh is potential energy, right? Okay. So here they said 10 kW. So you have to change 10 kW into what? You have to multiply it by the given number with 1000. Yes, that is 10 into 10 cube watt, that is equal to, what is m they said? M we have 200, then value of G you can take 9.8, then into H they said how much? 40 divided by T. Okay. Then see, here we have 3 zeros, here you have 10 cube, cut, that is 10 into T, that is equal to 2 into 9.8 into 4, 2 into 9.8 into 4. So we have to find T from here, T equal to 2 into 4 into 9.8 divided by 10. So, dear students, in this question also, first I chose the value of G as 9.8, but when we are taking 9.8, we won't get the option, that's it. So, again I have to consider this 9.8 as 10, 10 will get cancelled. So, 2 4s are, that is 8 seconds. Very easy question only, like the previous question, but here our unknown quantity was time. So, we have to just arrange the equation. The value of G you have to consider depend on the option, otherwise sometimes they will give in the question in the bracket, take the value of G like this. Okay. So, without saying anything, we have to follow 9.8, that is a fixed number, that is a fixed constant, but maybe sometimes in options little bit changes we can see. So, in that time we have to adjust the value of 9.8 to 10, right? Yes. So, students, shall I move to the next question? Yes. So, dear students, I am moving to the 11th question. 11th question. It is very easy only. 1 megajoule is, question is 1 megajoule. They are saying 10 cube, 10 power 6, 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 12. Yes, very easily, within seconds, everyone can say the answer of this, that is mega. Mega, what is mega? Mega is 10 raised to 6. What is mega? 10 raised to 6. So, we can say 1 megajoule is 10 raised to 6 joule. 1 megajoule is 10 raised to 6 joule. The correct answer is option number 2. Easy only. Hope everyone completed all these questions up to the 11th one. Okay. Then I am moving to the next question, 12th question, the last question of this lesson. All are ready? Yes. So, listen, question is 1 kilowatt hour is the dash joule. So, the term kilowatt hour, it is the unit of energy actually. We all are using electricity in our home, our domestic purpose. Many of the factories also they are using the same. Kerala State Electricity Board is the authority. They are handling, they are supplying the energy to all of the public, to all of the person we are living in the state Kerala. So, one unit or one energy meter is there. In all our home we can see 1 meter, energy meter. So, the authority person, the KCB meter reader, he will come and take the reading, then will compare with the last 2 previous month reading, and based on that one we have to pay the bill, right? Okay. So, using that meter we can measure the how many unit of energy we are consumed for our light system, for our fan system, whatever our air conditioner, whatever the materials we are using based on this electricity or electric appliances. So, it is the unit of energy. Then how we can convert into joule? Students, kilowatt, how we can convert into watt? It is nothing but 10 cube, we have to multiply. Then hour, how we can change into second? It is nothing but you have to multiply it by the given quantity by 3600. So, the term hour is changing into second. Then listen, this 10 cube, how many? We have 3 zeros, here 2 more zeros. So, the 10 become how? 10 raised to 5, am I right? 10 cube will change into 10 raised to 5, then we have one more number, that is nothing but 36. So, right now I got the answer, that is 36 into 10 raised to 5, but unfortunately in our option we doesn't have like this one option. So, this option or this answer, how we can modify into related to the question, that means see, when I am taking as 3.6, when I am taking as 3.6, that means 36 I have to divide by 10, right? 36 division is compulsory. So, when we are dividing one number by 10, at the same time you have to put 110 to the 10 raised to 5 also. That means our answer become 3.6 into 10 raised to 6. 3.6 into 10 raised to 6. That means the final answer is 1 kWh is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. That means the answer is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. How we can explain this? Our question is 1 kWh. kW is the kilowatt. You have to multiply the given number by 10 cube. Hour you have to change into the SI system. Actually hour is not as an SI, system of international. How we can convert that? You have to multiply it by 3600. Then here we have 10 cube, here we have 2 more 0, so 3 plus 2, 10 raised to 5. Then we have 36 also, but we doesn't have like this one option as per the question. So, we have to convert that, that is I put like 3.6. So, 10 power 5 will change into 10 power 6. So, the final answer is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So, students, right now we have successfully completed the 12 question related to the lesson work, energy and power. So, when you are learning the theory, keep in mind the definition of work, its types, positive work, negative work, then its equation, its SI unit, its CGS unit. After that, energy, mechanical energy, its classification, kinetic and potential, its equation half mv square and mgh. Then finally it is power, the equation is work by time, then it is force into velocity, then its unit. Then like this some simple or conceptual level question also you have to practice. So, hopefully I am saying everyone or all the boys, all my dear students, hope got the concept of the questions whatever I have discussed here. So, I am going to wind up this session also. We will continue the remaining part in upcoming classes. So, thank you for your great cooperation. Bye.